All right, so if you are starting your separation lab and I'm not here, that's okay. Big thing is all the materials are up in the front, and you can always ask other groups on some hints or whatever like that of where do you get this, that kind of thing. You will need some sand, salt, iron, and beads. Now, beads might run out. So if there's a group around the room, which there probably is, that is done with their beads, just grab those from them. Make sure that they've already masked them though, but if they've masked it and recorded it, they don't need them anymore and you can use their beads. As far as iron, there should be enough iron, there should be enough sand. The only thing that might run out is salt with the container up in the front. If you need more salt, just simply go to the back and in the saltwater lab bin and you can go grab that. As far as like containers, that kind of stuff, you only need one aluminum pan and you can only use one. Make sure you're massing that as well and recording that mass. That's on your lab sheet. It does remind you of that. But the aluminum pan is the only thing can go on your hot plate. There is a limitation of what your hot plate can do, so please make sure to not turn it up all the way because it will melt your aluminum pan. The last thing as far as storing things, there might be times where you add water. I do have larger cups, so the smaller ones that you guys have, I do have larger cups, so if you add water, please store it in this. Do not get beakers out. We don't have enough beakers to go around, so if we use all of these, which are like the plastic opaque cups, which are found on my desk, there are some extra back by the goggles. It's just styrofoam cups, so those that you can use as well. When you are ready to kind of like end for the day, please just make sure everything's kind of stacked neat and that everything has been labeled so that you're not missing anything. The last thing, it does say to get filter paper and that kind of thing. If you don't need it at that moment, don't get those supplies. Just get what you need at that moment. If you need a magnet at that moment, grab the magnet. Take a look around. There should be at least 7 magnets, so if a group has 2, just simply take it from them. Be nice about it, but take it from them. Other than that, just kind of work around it. There's going to be some challenges, ask around, but the only thing that can go on the hot plate, once again, is your aluminum pan. All right, I will see you guys on Friday.